How to change language in Gemini AI application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your language in Gemini AI. So once you haven't downloaded your Gemini application, simply you can download it from the Google Play Store, and once you download it, simply open it. And once you open it, just click on your top right corner profile section, and from over here head over to your settings, and as you can see there is the option for languages. Just select the language which you want to switch to, and just switch. And once again close the Gemini application, and once again open the Gemini application. So once you open it, as you can see, the language has been changed. So you can always turn it back again, just like that, like this, back to English. So that is exactly how you can easily change your language on Gemini application. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.